Houston.
Roger, roll, Endeavour.
In the 20th century, space, electronic and communication technologies have changed the world. But in the 21st century, it's biotechnologies that will transform the planet. In over 20 countries, this transformation has already begun. PK4 is an organic enzyme product used to build environmentally safe, low-cost stabilised road bases. It offers an inexpensive alternative to established road construction techniques. Though PK4 has been used to construct sub-bases and bases for concrete and asphalt roads, to date its most important use has been to build strong, durable dirt roads. In fact, in most countries, PK4 roads are known as the hardest dirt roads in the world. The growth and prosperity of any nation depends on its roads and their ability to transport products to market and people from place to place. Over the years, in many developing nations, roads constructed with PK4 have aided the growth of these countries and their ability to move products and people. PK4 is a proprietary product of Enzymes Incorporated. With its unique formulation, PK4 is unrivaled in enhancing road quality, safeguarding the environment and reducing maintenance and construction costs. PK4 is manufactured under strict quality control in the United States, and at the present time Enzymes Incorporated has a patent pending application filed with the United States government. To date, PK4 is the only soil stabiliser with approval for use in over 20 countries. PK4 is an organic enzyme product fermented from organic materials. The enzymes in PK4 act as a catalyst to create a biological reaction with the clay portion of the soil, thus accelerating the cohesive fusing of the soil particles. When compaction occurs, it causes more moisture and air to be removed, bringing the soil particles closer together. This fusing process produces a cementitious action, resulting in strong, solid layers that help to resist weathering and wear. The level of increased soil density depends upon gradation of the soil. Under normal soil conditions, PK4 has readily achieved density increases in excess of 100%, which is well above what can be expected in similar conditions from most other products. PK4 creates a remarkably dense, hard and resilient road base that's longer lasting with a substantially higher load-bearing capacity. Roads constructed with PK4 are normally quite hard and allow little moisture to penetrate their structure, resulting in fewer potholes, corrugations and shearing. PK4 roads substantially reduce short and long-term maintenance costs. Because only small amounts of PK4 are needed in road construction, the cost of PK4 is but a fraction of using soil cement or other soil stabilisers. PK4 is by far the most cost-effective soil stabiliser available today. The use of PK4 is especially attractive to developing countries, as it requires only standard construction equipment that is readily available. In constructing a road, PK4 allows for the use of more of the existing on-site base material. This means the cost of purchasing and transporting new graded materials, as well as the excavation and hauling costs of existing materials, are substantially reduced. PK4 is sold as a liquid concentrate, eliminating the need for bulk storage, premixing and the handling of large amounts of product. A biological product, PK4 is extremely safe. It's non-hazardous, non-toxic and non-flammable. It doesn't cause rashes or burns and doesn't irritate skin tissue. It won't harm humans, animals, fish or vegetation. The application of PK4 requires no special protective clothing, ventilation or hazardous material handling. As its users have discovered, PK4 is also biodegradable and completely environmentally safe. Constructing a road using PK4 is simple and straightforward. It involves only 3 uncomplicated steps. Step 1. Rip, blade or disc the roadbed to the desired depth. Step 2. Add the required amount of PK4 to the water truck. The amount of water needed is based on the existing moisture in the soil at the time of construction. Moisture levels should be raised to as close to optimum levels as possible. To distribute PK4 uniformly, blade mix the windrows into the roadbed. If the treated material is too wet, blade dry. If it's too dry, just add plain water. Step 3. Spread and compact the treated soil evenly. The preferred choice for compaction is a vibrating steel drum roller. Other options are a plain steel drum roller or pneumatic roller. The surface of the road should be rolled until there's a sealed, uniform appearance. When the top surface of the road is dry, it can be open to traffic. In dry weather, this is usually within 4 to 6 hours. In other conditions, allow 48 to 72 hours for the road to cure. If the road's to be covered with asphalt or concrete, apply it after the curing period. Since PK4 was first introduced, countries around the world have come to rely on it as the preeminent soil stabiliser, the preferred alternative to other products which have proven to be either ineffective in the short or long term, too costly, or harmful to the environment. As we move through the 21st century, the economies of scale and incomparable benefits of using PK4 as a definitive soil stabiliser will become more and more apparent. Developing countries seeking a lower cost, effective and environmentally sensitive soil stabiliser will continue to rely on PK4 for superior road networks that accelerate growth and create prosperity.